Okay, in this problem I'm going to graph y equals 2x plus 1 in R3. However, I'm going to start by graphing the equation in R2, the xy plane. Okay, so first draw on your axes, x, y, z. And okay, like I said, we're going to stick with the xy plane, and in the xy plane, y equals 2x plus 1 graphs to be a line. Ultimately, in space, it'll graph to be a plane, but we'll worry about that when we get there. So the line y equals 2x plus 1 has y-intercept 0, 1. So plot that. That'll be the first point we plot. So there it is, 0, 1. It also goes through 1, 3, because if you plug in 1 for x, you get 3 for y. Okay, so go out 1 on the x-axis and put in a couple more hash marks on the y-axis till you get over to 3. Now to locate the point 1, 3 properly, go out from x equals 1 on the x-axis, go out in a direction that's parallel to the y-axis. It's like drawing the edge of a box. And then likewise, from 3 on the y-axis, go out using a dotted line again, because it's not actually part of the graph. Go out parallel to the x-axis. And where the two dotted lines cross, that's where the point 1, 3 is located. Okay, connect the dots. I'm sticking with the first quadrant. Hopefully it's obvious that the line really extends infinitely in both directions, though. Okay, so how do we get the graph of y equals 2x plus 1 in R3 from what I've just drawn here? Well, notice the missing variable in y equals 2x plus 1 is z, which means z ranges over all real numbers. So I could translate the graph of this line up and down and basically carve out the plane that y equals 2x plus 1 represents that way. I'm just going to go up to stick with the first octant, because sometimes when you graph in 3D, less is more. So, okay, from one tip of the line, I'll go up. Let's go up a bit. That far is enough. From the other tip of the line, I'll go up the same distance, but it'll look a little higher here, since I'm starting at a higher point anyway. And when you connect the two endpoints of the line segments you've just drawn, you should get a line that looks parallel to the original line that you drew in the xy plane. Okay, so bear with me while I do this. It's kind of hard to do on a tablet. Okay. So this line segment, hopefully this line segment looks parallel to this line segment. Now shade it in. And the shaded region in red is at least part of the plane in the first octant, represented by y equals 2x plus 1.